Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam Too Fast back with another video. Hey man, listen, man. Y'all see this dirt face creation, right? Stop playing with me, bro. I might start doing more of these. So in the comments, drop what you want to see next, man. Oh yeah, free the boy, man. Free the goat. Free the voice, nigga. You see me out here dirked up, man. Listen, I'm about to show y'all this damn face creation. Y'all gonna get ready to get into it. We're gonna start with the hair first, man. You already know we gotta go with them dreads. It's a few types of hairs I can use for this, but it's the one I use, you feel me? I wish they had the straight downs on all of them, but you can't, we ain't got that. So you're gonna use this one right here, you feel me? You wanna go to the custom hair color, right? Change that first one to blonde. Find the right blonde you want. I could've probably went a little brighter, a little darker, but whatever. I chose that one. It's the easiest way to team colors, you feel me? Go to sixers. And you know, you can use other hairstyles, but we ain't gonna go to that right now. Skull 1, you feel me? 0, 0, 0. Back out. Come on, man. Brow 3. Come on, man. 20, 5, 0, and 0, man. Put that in, man. Eyebrow 7. You feel me? We gonna go to eyebrow 7. You do cutouts or not. I use cutout too. Ears 5, 10, 13, 12, 20. Back out. We done with that. We ain't about to stay too long on that. Eyes. We got eyes 6, man. Look at that. Choose that color right there. 7, 10, 10, none, 20, and we got 6 right here and 19. You feel me? Back out of that. You feel me? Go ahead and back out of that. All right, no face paint on that. We got nose. Look, nose 3, 6, 20, 0, 10, 11, 7. You feel me? Go ahead and back out after you copy that. Go ahead and back out, man. Go to your cheeks. Cheeks 2. 6, 0, wrinkles 1, moles 2. You ain't got to use moles, but I'm doing it. Mouth 12, none, 13, 20, 12, 10, 20, 18. You feel me? Go ahead and back out. Hold on. Look at this shit, though. Watch my nigga turn up, man. Look at this build, bro. I'm going to drop this build after I drop this goddamn face creation. My nigga out here dropping buckets, nigga, on God. Fuck you talking about? And Durk hoop for real, nigga. I should've. Matter of fact, where that clip at of Durk hooping for real, man? Drop that right now. My boy gets buckets. What the fuck are you talking about? Spow. Come over here. That's his go-to right there. Look at that. Man, what? Smile. One other one. Look at that. What? Smile. All right, come on. Let's get back to it. Y'all tired of that? Come on. Facial hair, none. Fuck you talking about? Chin, default, 5, 12, 8, 6, 5. You feel me? Get that. You're gonna go to skin. I use skin 9. No other skin gonna make you look like this nigga right here. I'm telling you right now, I done tried all of them. Use the skin. You know what I mean? Nobody, no hair, none of that. That's all you got for that, man. Listen, bro. I know I was going kind of fast. I'm gonna show y'all some of the other hair types though. You can use that hair type, you feel me? Look at that, look at that, look at that, bro. That's Durk, my nigga. What you talking about? All right, let me see what other hairstyles. You can use these, you feel me? These are thicker, just the ones he got now, but he just never got them in a pony, you feel me? I wish they let you have them motherfuckers out covering your face and shit, but you can't. And you know what I'm saying? We got these, you can make these black. You know, when he first got his wig that was black, you feel me? So if you want to do that, you can do that too. But I'm going with the OG, you feel me? Where my shit at? Right here. This the one right here for me. Man, listen, man. Y'all better get in tune to that. If y'all want to see another face creation, anybody, man, drop them in the comments. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, man. Even if you don't like the video, like it. What you talking about? My nigga Durk out here dripped up. Look, I'm gonna show y'all some more footage. What is you doing, boy? Durk got D. Look at that. I'm double teaming and I'm playing this nigga at the same time. Watch out, bro. Yeah. What? You gotta step up, little dude. Come on, bro. This shit too easy. I done told y'all, bro. Look at this. And yes, I got meter on. This is a new jump shot. So I was trying to see my jump shot, bro. I made a new jump shot for this build. So you don't talk about the meter being on, nigga. I had to see, you feel me? Let me get a feel for it first, and I'll turn that bitch back off. Y'all seen my last videos, and y'all said something about that. Like I said, if y'all want to see something else,